Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. In this video, we are going to learn about a man who is going to the barber to get his hair cut. Through this conversation, you will learn some new words. I suggest you write down the new words and practice them at your convenience. Ready? Let's get started. A man with a beard and long hairs walks toward the barber shop and enters. Inside, a man in a red shirt and an apron greets him. Hey Mark, I haven't seen you for some times. What can I do for you today? Hey John, I need a haircut today. Of course. What style do you want this time? How short do you want your hair? I like to have it short on the sides and also on the back, but leave the top a bit longer. Maybe something neat and easy to manage. Sure, any special occasion? I have a new job, that's why I need to cut my hair and beard. My girlfriend told me I need to look professional. I understand. Should I use the clippers on the sides? Yes, please. Use a number 2 guard. Okay. And your sideburns? Trimmed or left as they are? Trim them, but not too short. How about the neckline? Square or rounded? Square, please. Okay, how about your beard? How short do you want it? I need it short and neat. Can you trim it close to the skin? Sure, let me do your hair first and then beard. If you need any adjustments, just let me know. 40 minutes later, all done with the cut. I already applied some gel for a slicked look. So how do you like it? It looks perfect, just what I wanted. I'm glad you like it. Hey, good luck with your new job. Thanks, John. See you next time. See you, Mark. Have a good day. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it to your family or friends so they can learn English together with you. Until next time, everyone. Bye now.